Here we are trekking with my sidekick girls. We are going to Flag Rock again. I've been here a couple times. Girls have been here a couple times, and it's the 4th of July. So that means we're gonna enjoy a turkey dinner when we get home. Oh wait, wrong holiday. Just kidding. We're gonna enjoy fireworks, freedom, maybe a little bit of George Washington, and some good times, like always. All right, we've made it halfway. There's the Great Salt Puddle, Great Salt Lake. Very nice, not a lot of shade so far, so these girls are dying. But it's okay, we're about halfway there. We'll get there, no time. We made it, Brickell!
Yeah.
Woo! There's Caitlin behind us.
Oh, hi.
We made it, Flag Rock. It's been a month and a half since I've been up here, but just as beautiful. Good old Farmington, don't fall. What's up, everybody? It is the 4th of July. One of my favorite holidays, actually. Probably in the top 4. Behind Halloween, Christmas, and Super Bowl Sunday. But yeah, it's been great so far. As you've seen earlier, we hiked up to Flag Rock, which is always a good time. My parents barely made it, and I zip-zop-a-dooed up there like a kangaroo. And now we're having a barbecue. Well, we will be later on, but we're excited. Way fun. This is how you eat a hot dog on the 4th of July. Like a real man. Oh yeah.
We were really little, but...
4th of July. Alright, Matt, so you said you had heart disease on your plate?
Yes, it's this.
What is it?
You know, I don't know, but it tastes really good. Yep.
Okay, sounds great. We will for sure eat it. What?
That's all I have to say about that.
Okay, that's all he has to say about that. It's like in a Forrest Gump, you know? You remember that scene? He's like addressing the crowd and someone like takes out the thing. He's like, that's all I have to say about that. And everyone's like, what?
That's all I have to say about that.
Watch that movie, it's really good. Sleepover! Look, it's a shirtless man. I have shirtless men in my vlog. Yeah. Children do not watch. This episode's gonna be rated freaking TV MA. Just kidding. Jenica makes it TVMA.
Hey, it's not wrong.
Alright, Sam.
Alright,
Delete
Kyle.
that clock game.
For winning this night's game of fibbage, I bestow upon you this prize. A grabby gun!
Yes!
There you go.
This is me with my new grabby gun. Just grab the camera. Oh yeah! Heck yeah!
I'm jealous.
Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
First place, the YouTube Flash 2, your prize.
A lot of money on this.
Oh, yes!
Oh my god!
It's a Pokemon!
That's like Legos.
For free. You'll answer.
No! My friend! Perfect! Espeon?
Espeon, the sun Pokemon. It uses the fine hairs that cover its body to sense air currents and predict an opponent's movement.
Hey, that must be the favorite Pokemon you were talking about.
Camera action.
Alright, Ghosty, for your victory.
Jenica!
Murder mystery, trivia, whatever that was. The grand prize.
Yes! Okay,
What are those?
Should I test it out right now?
Well, the sleepover turned into a stay up all night party. And we got some early risers right here that we're gonna dip. And there's Josh without his shirt on. Like I said, this show's gonna be rated TVMA. But yeah, I like the. Oh, holy cow, the sun's actually risen out there. Frick, man. I always wonder why vloggers do intros and outros. I mean, it just seems so unnatural. But a lot of things in this world are unnatural. Anyways, that was 4th of July. That was an all-nighter. I literally stayed up all night. I fell asleep for like maybe 15 minutes, but I was up all night. And so I'm totally like running low on fuses. And today, the Sabbath day, will truly be a day of rest. But hey guys, happy 4th, happy Sunday, and